Many novice friends cannot observe the position of the rear wheel when turning on a narrow road, so either the tire is blown out or the car body is scratched. Because we are sitting in the car, even if we adjust the angle of the rearview mirror, we cannot see the position of the rear wheel. I suggest that you install a small round mirror like this on the rearview mirror. This small round mirror is a suction cup type. Do not tear the film when installing it. The installation is very simple. We just need to press it and tighten it clockwise. After tightening it, show it to everyone. It is very firm. After installation, you can rotate it at will and adjust it to just see the position of the rear tire. In this way, we can drive whether it is a sharp turn or parallel parking. We can clearly see the trajectory of our rear tire, whether we scratch the tire or the body of our car while driving. It will cost hundreds of dollars to go outside to do a simple paint job or change a tire. I have always installed this small round mirror on the right rearview mirror to avoid unnecessary losses. There are two in a set, and both the left and right rearview mirrors can be installed. If we don't want it, we can reverse it like this. After reversing, we can easily remove it. The suction cup type has no double-sided tape and no residue. You can install it anytime next time you want.